Introducing Dream Merchants International. Something isn't quite right. I have a good job with a good income. What do I have to show for working 20 years on a good job with a so-called good income? Mortgage payments, car payments, credit card payments, maybe a few mutual funds, and a couple of dollars in the bank. Something isn't quite right. I need to make a change right away. The paradigm has shifted away from jobs, small mom and pop shops to home-based business ownership, and that is what got me to look at business ownership with Dream Merchants International. Most people are getting dressed in clothes bought for a job, and driving through traffic in a car they are still paying for. In order to keep the job, they need to pay for the clothes and the cars, and making payments on a house they will leave vacant all day long so they can afford to live in it. There is something about this story that isn't quite right. Hello, I am Louise. Welcome to this life-changing message on how to earn more money now. You know how some people struggle just to get by on tiny paychecks? In this economy, unfortunately, families are toast. What we do is show people how to go from barely surviving to living like a rock star. I have some great news. And I have some bad news. The bad news is that no matter how hard we work at our jobs, we will never have enough money to retire comfortably. The laws of arithmetic and inflation make that highly unlikely. The good news is that a successful home-based business makes it all work in our favor. Now, just so we understand each other, if you are truly happy on $50,000 to $75,000 a year household income, please, let's not waste each other's time. But, if you can see yourself earning six figures, $100,000 plus, pay close attention. Before we get started, let's all agree on one key point. Everybody suggests, recommends, and promotes the products, people, and places that they like. Everybody. Need proof? Just think about how we all communicate with our friends and relatives about movies, restaurants, vacation spots, TV shows, plumbers, cars, clothes, even recipes, doctors, dentists, lawyers, and mechanics. We all regularly suggest, recommend, and promote the products, people, and places we like. We just don't get paid for it. Dream Merchants International offers a free 10-module online bootcamp to drop success into your lap. Most people have spent their entire adult lives crippled by skepticism, suffocating from cynicism, and limited by their own self-imposed financial prison. Self-improvement guru Zig Ziglar called this stinking thinking. Author Earl Nightingale enlightened us with the thought, "You are what you think about all day long." Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to try to. I am not hoping to. I am definitely, absolutely, positively going to sell you on how to earn more money now. You may not be concerned with your financial future yet. Some people are not concerned. But we all ought to be concerned. You might not feel the need to live an extraordinary life, but you ought to want to. Dream Merchants International business owners are in the American Eagle gold coin business. American Eagle bullion coins are an extremely powerful, sexy, beautiful and valuable product. Gorgeous, certified, authentic American Eagle bullion coins. Dream Merchants International provides an international business ownership opportunity. A portable work-from-home opportunity available in 41 countries. Dream Merchants International provides those of us who want to improve their lives with a real and genuine opportunity to earn executive-level income from home. Earn more money now. And an opportunity for the average person to live an extraordinary lifestyle. It is our intention to make it awfully hard for you to go back to your part-time temporary job with stagnant wages, long commutes, short vacations, and no time for your family, friends, church, and hobbies. As a new Dream Merchants International business owner, you will complete a free online, formal, 10-day online boot camp and enjoy mentorship with your very own mentor. You will not have to guess, hope, or wish for success. You will learn how to manage your own virtual assistants. All the sales, IT and bookkeeping is done by virtual assistants. Dream Merchants International trains you on exactly how to manage your business. You will learn how to make the mental and emotional adjustments that will allow you to grow into your new role as CEO of your own YOU, Inc. I am absolutely thrilled to offer you this amazing product by this tremendous company, Dream Merchants International, Beverly Hills, California. We have an all-in-one package. This is not your Uncle Sammy's Amway soap thingy or your Aunt Sally's Tupperware party. You won't be pestering, selling or chasing friends and relatives. Are you tired of the good job trap, the commuting trap, the retirement trap, and the expensive daycare trap? There are two types of people in the world. Those who try to get by on a part-time temporary salaried job too. Those who know how to get paid and live like a rock star. Isn't it time you found out how my team and I earn executive-level incomes from home? Learn to earn more money now, and live an extraordinary lifestyle. Take the free 10-day boot camp. You may or may not be interested, it will only take a few minutes to determine your destiny. Now is the time, this is something you must see. This is the only product I know of that becomes more valuable after you buy it.